Okay, next, as you know, with every positive input, we need to have a ground. So now we're going to talk about where we're going to ground it. So with ground, we're going to use black as much as possible. So find as many black cables. The shorter the better. We will need essentially 4 short ones. Again, if you don't have 4 short black ones, you can use blue or another dark color just to indicate that it's ground. It doesn't really matter, these colors, but it just helps to keep track of what you're doing. So grab 4 short ones and 1 long one. So I only had 3 short black ones, so I've got a short blue one as well, no big problem, and I only had 1 long green one, so that's fine. I'm just going to use those. So if you look at your chip has 8 pins on the left hand side, 8 pins on the right hand side. The middle 2 pins on the left hand side and the middle 2 pins on the right hand side are the grounding pins. So we need to now ground those. So because all 4 are ground, we can actually connect all 4 together and then send one of them to our Arduino to be grounded. So first we're going to connect all 4 of them together. So if you look, the first of those middle is at position D6. So I'm going to connect D6 with the middle one on the other side, which is G6. And then I'm going to do the same with D7 down to G7. So far you should have them connected like that across. 6 and 7 are the 2 middle ones. So at the moment just those 2 are connected that way. So finally I need to connect them all together. So I'm going to go H6 connected to H7. So now if you follow the path from D6, D6 goes to G6, G6 is connected to H6, which is now connected to H7, which is connected to G7, which connects to D7. So they're all now connected together, and we now need to send our long cable from any one of those, but I'm just going to continue my loop and do it from I7. And connect it to the ground on my Arduino. And again, if we have a look at the Arduino, we've chosen 5 volts for our power source, and right underneath it are 2 ground options. You can choose either one and put your long cable in there. So I'm going to put mine into one of them. It doesn't matter. I'm going to reconnect my other one, which I just removed just now. So far our Arduino is connected power and ground to these guys.